Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to download a video from Twitter. So first we're going to click the app. My account here. So I'm going to just click any video. Which it shows you have to upgrade to premium, which costs, but I'm going to show you an easier way. Well, a free way. So you press cancel. Sorry. Download button. And then you press copy link. You head over to Safari, right down here, the internet. And I already have one app, which is called Twitter Video Downloader. This is the name. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click where it says tweet link. I'm going to double click and press paste. Sorry, download. And now it's downloading it. Just got to. And there's the video. And you could press download in 320 times 320 or download in 480 times 480. I'm going to do 320 times 320. And then you press download. And then you're going to click on anything, and like any open Safari internet page. And then you're going to click on this little download button down here. This is where your downloads are. Click the download, click the video, and the video's here. Then you're going to pause it, click the little download icon in the corner, scroll down, and save video. Done. Now we're going to head over to images, and there's the video with sound. That's how you do it. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. See you next time.